No, you just missed it. Click! What a big click! And my heater that I wired up went on with a big click. Interesting. Should have put a deeper box or a box extension. It's crazy glued on to the block wall, so it ain't coming off. Click! Click! Doesn't stay on for long. It's like watching grass grow or cheese ferment. Click! Come on. Come on. Pipe bender. Click. Boring, huh? Tick tock, tick tock. I'll show you what I'm doing in a second as soon as this thermostat clicks. Told you. I have been listening to it cycle for a couple of hours. Hinges. No name. Made in China. Stanley. Made in New Britain, Connecticut. Made in the USA. Right there. Yeah, so Mrs. CW said the apartments rent better when we get rid of these Luan plywood slab doors and we put in some Masonite 6-panel slab doors. So, these are so beautifully machined. Look at that fit. Perfect. Perfect fit. And here we are, amateur carpenter that I am, routering these out by freehand, even though I have a guide. I don't know how to use it. It's a complicated quarter cable machine. So, got no workspace here. Fill it up with junk. That's as good as I can get. Not bad. I'm sure your beekeeper will be chiming in. Oh, got a little gap. Guess we'll have to live with it. Oops. Wash tub. Don't you like these raw videos? Look how nice that was done. Can't imitate it. Sorry. It's freaking perfect. Perfectly done. Mine won't be so perfectly done with my Made in USA router. Model 315.174.70, 110, 120 volt, 60 hertz, AC only, 6.5 amps. When servicing, use only identical replacement parts. Sears router, made in USA. Yes, we used to make everything here. Light bulb doesn't work. It's got a work light. Doesn't work, and I tried to remove the light bulb, and it doesn't come out. I tried and tried. It's going to bust in my fingers, and I'll cut my gloves. So this is my Made in USA router, inspected by, who knows? It's a noisy critter. Want to hear me crank her up? Got the strap wrapped around my hand. I don't want to whip the camera. Crank her up! And the work light doesn't work. Something else. I had Carabinsanini. I'll favorite one of his videos. It's got a 383 Chevy pickup. Stroker. He went to look at a Subaru that I found for sale in Charlotte. Not Charlotte, Vermont. Charlotte. Piles of junk. Plastic coated playing cards. Anyways, he went to look at this car. Some dealer guy bought it at an auction. Peddling it for $2,099. Outback loaded. Glass sunroof. A lot of magic. 4-cylinder. Who knows if the head gaskets have been done. But somebody that watched my videos had mentioned that they could get access to free Carfax. That would sure help, so I could buy some Subaru Outback. Maybe a 5-speed would be nice, but I don't know if they offered the 5-speed in the late 90s. I didn't want to go to OBD2, but I guess I don't have a choice. Alright, I'm going to continue routering. I was thinking to put in more light fixtures. Oh! One last thing. Whenever I walk around the building, I always look up in the corners to check for spiders, and I just saw one, so I thought I'd squish him on live video. Poor people in Egypt and Syria are getting killed by their goose-stepping leader. And I'm going to kill a spider. Standing on a bucket, because I can't quite reach the ceiling. And I'm going to squish his guts out. Ready? That's it. Life is over in a flash. I feel bad for you. Here I am, routering my doors, making a mess. Actually, the last router that I did came out the best. Where is it? Look at that. Perfect. Doesn't happen very often. The router slips, gets caught in a little bit of a sticky spot, so almost done. I thought I'd let you watch me do some routering. Take my goofy looking rabbit ears off. Let's see what we got here. I want to make sure you can see what I'm doing. The hinge is there. Yep. Right in view. Alrighty. Oh, this thing's making my ears ring. Crank her up! Pretty close. Paint peels off in every direction. It interferes with the fitting. Uh-oh. A little too deep over there. Oh yeah. What a mess. Oh well. Keep it up. Sloppy job. Luckily nobody cares except you and me. Guess I should have done this before I painted the doors. Yeah. What can you do? Then you got amateur doing a professional job. Just at the wood shop wanted $18 per door for 2 mortised hinges and a borehole. $6 per plunge. I said that's 16, 32. No, 18, 36, $72 plus tax, plus drop them off and pick them up. I'll do it myself. Not that hard. Fruit Loops called today. Guess he's feeling better. Not too bad. I'm going to give him a call and see how he's doing. Alright. I gotta get one more slab. They didn't sell it at Lowe's. Yeah, got it on the right side too. I was afraid I'd do one from one side and one from the other. I've seen some guys just go right across. Boy, that one's so nice compared to the rest of them. But nobody will notice. So now I gotta do my holes for my handles and go hang them. Got salt. Road de-icing salt. $5 for 50 pounds, 22.6 kilos. $5.11. I have stock. Oh, look at that. It's snowing. Yep, that's white snow you see outside, not a reflection. Just about done for the day. What time is it? Like usual, 9 o'clock.